Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we describe most popular, the low-carb and delicious sweet snacks desserts for diabetics. Satisfying your sweet cravings while keeping your blood sugar levels in check is absolutely possible with a range of low-carb, delicious sweet snacks and desserts. These treats are designed to provide you with a guilt-free way to enjoy sweetness without compromising your health. From creamy puddings to fruity delights, here are some easy-to-make options that will delight your taste buds and support your diabetic-friendly diet. Walnut and dark chocolate bark. Create your own dark chocolate bark by melting sugar, free dark chocolate, and mixing in crushed walnuts. Pumpkin pie smoothie. Blend canned pumpkin, unsweetened almond milk, a dash of cinnamon, and a sugar substitute for a creamy pumpkin pie. Are you ready to control blood sugar level? Click the secret link below. Let's go.
Coconut flour brownies. Coconut flour is a low-carb alternative to traditional flour, making it a great option for baking diabetes-friendly brownies.
Sugar-Free Berry Parfait. The natural sweetness of the berries combined with the creaminess of the yogurt creates a satisfying dessert that's low in carbs. Avocado chocolate pudding. Avocado provides healthy fats and a smooth texture, while cocoa powder and a sugar substitute add that chocolatey goodness without the sugar rush. Chia seed berry jam. Spread it on whole grain toast or use it as a topping for yogurt. It's a sweet, low-carb treat. Baked cinnamon apples. Core apples and fill the centers with a mixture of cinnamon, nuts, and a touch of honey or a sugar substitute. Bake until tender for a comforting, warm dessert. With these low-carb and delicious sweet snacks and desserts, you can enjoy moments of indulgence without worrying about your blood sugar levels. Remember to monitor your portion sizes and choose natural sweeteners or sugar substitutes that work best for you. Wait. Want to control blood sugar level? Watch the Secrete video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.